Hi guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install and set up your Biconomy account step by step. If this is your first time using Biconomy, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. Just before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our YouTube channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description. Now let's dive right into today's tutorial. The first step is to download the Biconomy app. Open your device App Store or Play Store and search for Biconomy. Make sure you select the official application before proceeding with the download and installation. Once the installation is complete, open the app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new to Biconomy, you will need to sign up, and here's where to go. Your top left, where you have the profile icon, tap Sign Up. Enter your email address, and then create a strong password that matches the 5 criteria displayed. Not less than 9 characters with at least a lowercase and uppercase letter, at least one number and a special character. Tick to agree to the privacy policy. Okay, so sign up. You'll need to confirm your email by entering the verification code sent to your mailbox. Here we go. Copy and paste. Confirmed. Now your account has been created. So here's your dashboard where you have the market trade section for buying and selling, futures, and an overview of your assets for deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. Before doing anything else, it's important to verify and secure your account. Tap again on the profile icon at your top left. You will notice that your identity is yet unverified. This places a withdrawal limit on your account. To verify, simply tap Verify Now. Let's do the basic verification. Fill in your information, choose your credential type, type your names, and then the ID number that matches the credential you intend to upload. Tap Next. So here, you will be required to upload the front and back side of your choice credential. Tap Submit once done. Submitted. Verification will be completed within 1 or 2 business days. Notice your identity status has changed to under review, pending when the process is completed. Now let's move on to the security center. To protect your account, it is recommended to turn on at least one two-factor authenticator. I'll show you how to do each one of them. Email verification is done already. Next is phone number verification. So here, enter phone number and tap Get Code. The code will be sent via the number you entered. Copy and paste or enter the code, then tap Submit. Another verification will be required via email. Proceed to get the code. Copy and paste, then submit. Your phone number is verified. Now, on to Google Authentication. If you are yet to install Google Authenticator app, you will have to do so by tapping here or download and install via your App Store or Play Store. I have a Google Authenticator installed already, so I'll just tap Next. Copy the key generated and then go open your Google Authenticator. Enter a name for this new code, say Biconomy. Paste the generated key here and then Add. The new code will be added to your account. Now back to Biconomy app. You can now bind your account with your Google Authenticator. Verify via your phone number and email address by entering the respective code sent. Ensure to do so within the time lapse. Same with your Google Authenticator. Go to your Google Authenticator app. Copy the code displayed for Biconomy. Ensure to also paste it before it refreshes. Once done, tap submit immediately. Now your account has been well fortified. You may also want to enable biometric authentication by toggling it on and then entering your fingerprints. And that's it for security. Finally, let me show you very quickly how to buy and sell tokens. So here, you can always search for any token you want to interact with. Let's trade BNB. Here is the market chart and other details. To buy, tap buy. Enter the amount of BNB you want to buy, and that's the equivalent in USDT. Once you're satisfied with the value, tap buy BNB. You will be notified about the transaction and your account will be credited accordingly. There's also sell option here. Same procedure, enter the amount of BNB you intend to sell in exchange for USDT and then tap sell. Alternatively, from your dashboard interface, just tap trade and you'll be taken straight to the buying and selling interface. Remember, you can always choose the token you want to interact with from the options or use the search engine. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial video, please put it in the comment section. Do not also forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.